Alright, what's up guys? So today, a little something different here. Today, we're going to Harbor Skate. Remember this guy? Well, it's about time he gets fixed. I love this Ratchet. I don't care, say what you want about Harbor Freight, but god damn it, this Ratchet is tits. I love this Ratchet, and you should too.
That clock keeps ticking like a metronome, and my thoughts keep telling me to get me home, but my balls keep telling me to let me just let me That clock keeps ticking like a metronome, and my thoughts keep telling me to get me home, but my balls keep telling me to let me just let me That clock keeps ticking like a metronome, and my thoughts keep telling me to get me home, but my balls keep telling me to let me fuck all that shit, just let me
Yeah. Yeah, they are. Everyone wants to knock them, but I always say there's something here for everybody. This is the one I don't have yet. I got the bigger one. I had that pickle fork for my air gun, and it's lasted me all this time. I use it all the time.
I smash with a flip. Breaking me, bring them back. Get another.
These are nice. I wonder if they have the tanks. Or actually, is that the price with the tank? Yeah, it is. That's not bad. Yeah, you got your oxygen and acetylene. You just got to get them filled.
It'd be nice just to keep it around. This is going to be my next purchase.
Pressure washer? $369.
Because it's just going to be for the house.
Yeah. Don't get that little electric one. You're not going to want it. That's one thing I hear. It keeps coming back.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, save it a couple bucks or like wait till your income tax or whatever. These work good too. The siphon pumps?
Yes.
They actually work good. You got to seal the ends up, but they actually work good. These right here too are good. What I do is I cut them and then I put them in the drill.
Yeah,
and then I use them for the caliper slides and stuff.
That's a
you
really
just
good idea.
cut them, put them in the drill, and then use them for your caliper slides.
$4.99.
Yeah. I need to get wire wheels. That's that they have. What's going on?
How you doing?
Good. Where did I know you from?
Dave.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
What's going on, man? How's it going? How's it going?
Real good.
Have you seen Dave lately? I moved to Jersey, so I haven't seen anybody.
Me neither. I don't really go down much anymore.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How's the truck treating you?
Oh.
I remember I did something to it for you or something. We did something. I don't remember.
Yeah,
You
we
at the
did
shop.
do something on it. I forget what it was. What was that? Sorry. Right here. Sorry.
I don't know. Was it something with tires or something, or I don't know. No, actually, I think I did some front end work or something. I remember I had to rush because they said Dave was gonna get mad, and you're like, oh, can you just do it real quick? And I think it was like an idler arm or something else.
Yes, my idler arm.
Yeah.
Yes, my idler arm went. You're right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, someone told him too, and he's like, you can't be working on people's stuff. Like, it's supposed to be your buddy.
You know what things I run and do for him and this and that? Like, come on, man.
He's a tight ass.
He is bad. You gotta love him.
Yeah.
But I mean, he's a tight ass. Like, come on.
Yeah.
I tell him right to his face. Too.
Oh, yeah.
I don't say to him, you know.
But at the end of the day, though, with him, if you ever did need anything, like seriously, you can ask him.
He'll do it.
And he'll come through for you. He is a good guy.
Mad, probably said I didn't go to him and ask.
Yeah, I don't know. He didn't really bitch. He was just like, you can't do that stuff. And I was like, well, I thought he was your buddy.
We are, since like literally we know each other since like 5th grade. Like,
yeah.
come on. It is what it is, though.
Yeah.
It's the business, I get it, you know?
Yes, sir.
They just want to let everybody think they can do whatever they want.
Yeah, because then people will start.
Take advantage.
Yep.
You know how that goes, you know?
Yes, sir.
Good seeing you, bro.
Yeah, you too, man. Take care.
Good luck out there, man.
Yep. Man, I got slingshots and that's a cool little kit, carving set.
That's a cool one.
Look at this. I'm wondering, like, how come I can't get my ratchet back? And it's like fucking stuck to it. It's a magnet.
That's cool.
What?
30.
Yeah. I don't know nothing about these yet. I have the Snap-on 14.4 like this, and I absolutely hate it.
Oh,
I
yeah?
hate it. I dread it. It doesn't fit anywhere. It doesn't hold itself. It's not magnetized. These are better than Snap-on. No, the wrenches. Whatchamacallit? Oh, look at these. Come here. Who is it?
I had that Pittsburgh set for...
Yeah, I know. You've been using it for a long time. I don't even think you broke one yet, did you? Cornwall has them now where there's double. There's two flexes. There's two joints on it. So you could flex it again and then again, you know, like...
But yeah, I haven't had one problem with mine.
Yeah, I believe it.
But I don't try to use them to break stuff loose either.
Yeah. Feeler gauges, that's not bad. $4.49 or $4.99.
Shit, I've had a couple sets of those.
Oh, here we go. This is what I need right here.
Yeah, that's
sir.
part about not working in the Land Rover.
Oh, dude, this is the bench. This is the one I got. This is the bench where my computer and everything's on. I got mine for, I think, $70. It was on sale. Yeah, I'm telling you, man. Even just a starter tech, man. Like, you know, I got thousands upon thousands in Snap-on tools, but you know, if you're starting off, this is perfect.
Yeah.
Shit, I got half my life in Snap-on, dude. Like, oh, look at that little dead blow. See, like shit like this, you know, it's a hammer. You're gonna beat it up. $8.
Yeah.
This big guy right here, $11, dude. You know what I mean? Like, how you gonna break this? You know what I mean? Like,
I got the black one that I got that's this size.
$11.
These even work pretty well.
I don't care who down. Like, if people are bitching about it just because they got nothing else better to do.
I still got that pry bar like this.
Oh yeah.
It's been through.
Again, pry bar. You know what I mean? It's a pry bar. It's gonna do its job. This is cool.
I'm coming up to get these for my my equipment.
Yeah, you know, I need to get one of those, like, for like camera gear.
Yeah, I think I've got to get one for that too.
That one's nice. How it flips open. Oh, I like that. Yeah, that's definitely gonna have to be a soon to be purchased. Oh, there's your stand.
Oh yeah.
Right there. Yep. That's what I have, one of these for each TV in my house. Works great, dude. Like I said, I got mine for $16.99.
Yeah.
What's your coupon? $4.20?
Yeah.
Yeah. Up to 70. Mine's a 60-inch.
I got these, and they work amazing.
Oh, wait a minute, dude. Is that a little, yeah. It's like an amp clamp.
Yeah. This is the one I got.
Yeah, that thing's fucking junk.
Mine works fine. I've had it for doing alternators and shit. It works fine. That's cool.
Oh shit, I gotta bring these because mine broke. Fuck, man, there's a few things I gotta bring back. I had those forever. I didn't think they were ever gonna break, and then they finally did. Oh, I gotta find this ratchet.
It's gonna be, well,
Alright, come on, we'll walk around, we'll get to it. We already went down
yeah, but
here. Are you actually... Huh?
I want to get one of these for the driveway.
Oh,
I'm
light.
working in the driveway. They're only 14 bucks.
Yeah.
And they're bright as fuck.
You need one because you're not too bright. Ah.
My life's so bright I wear shades.
Your life's so bright you wear shades. There's what you need. You need a wheelchair.
Yeah.
Or a walker.
I can use one.
Motorcycle jack.
Right here.
Here's a professional
This is
Yeah, professional diagnostic section. These actually aren't bad.
looks like a butt probe.
Hey, I have that. I've used it a few times.
I believe it.
I had this.
Francisco had this and used it for all kinds of crazy shit, and it worked.
Yeah, it'll work. It's an inline spark tester. I had this, well, the one that was in color, and actually it was the Autel, and I gave it to Karch.
You gave it to him?
Yeah, I gave it to him.
He turned out to be Gene.
Yeah, I didn't know that was gonna happen.
Oh, that's cool. Plug it right into the cigarette.
Yeah. You know what else is cool that they have? Their powder coater. Their powder coater works decent.
Oh, yeah?
That's not a bad price, 80 bucks. And there's stuff like this, their kits and stuff aren't bad, like the pressure tester isn't bad. Leak down tester, my buddy's got that, that works really good.
Yeah. Yeah, all the testers is about
Look at that. Fuel pump and vacuum tester, $12.
nice.
That's not a bad deal at all. $20. Little tap and die set.
Yeah.
These are pretty neat. The McPherson strut
Yes, I
compressors.
like those. I got a set of these.
Bearing puller set.
I need to get one of those.
Remember we used these at the cab company like crazy.
Yep.
Yeah.
Here's your idea.
Yeah, they actually make them for the drill, but it's cheaper to do the other way.
Yeah.
I actually thought these were the Milwaukee's when I looked at them.
Yeah, they look like. Probably made just buy them.
Oh, they better have it.
That one.
Oh, they do have it. Okay, good.
Yeah, they always.
$17.99. I'll take it.
You have to have that in the store. Nope, it's $29.99 regularly.
Actually, the left-handed drill bits aren't bad either. I'm using those for extracting shit and they work. They saved my ass a couple times. They're like $5.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were $8.49. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is tits.
Yeah. That's organizer.
The ultimate organizer.
$12.
$12. That's what's up. Those are nice.
Yeah, I was just looking at what we needed when we changed the front wheel of your motorcycle.
Yeah, this one here is the 3/4.
Yeah.
You know what we ended up using?
I remember.
We welded a 3/4 inch lug nut
Yeah.
to a piece of pipe
Worked.
And then use that to take the front wheel off the
I
ZX.
remember I was right there.
Yeah, we didn't have the lift, so we strapped it and put it on the lift and hoisted it up.
Well, I guess we gotta go right now. That chick
Are you
was
done?
just there. Yeah.
Look at this cart. I want to see the cart. They need a cart. You see they won the lawsuit against Snap-on? Well, Snap-on tried to sue them because the jack looked the same.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, and Harbor Freight actually won.
I like that.
Yeah, so do I, because I like how it's got the latch under it.
No,
Isn't this the one Gene has?
no, he's got the model before.
I really like how it's got the latch under it. It's nice and strong,
But I
too.
like that they got that box like the Husky
Oh,
box
grab me
on
one of
it.
those flyers. Thank you. Oh, here they are. That's a nice jack, dude. $200. Yeah, see? This is what they were bitching about right here.
It's because they
Look how nice that jack. That's a nice fucking jack, dude.
they're in competition with them and they're giving them a run for
That's
the
a
money.
nice fucking jack. For $200 bucks.
Fucking jack right there, huh?
Yeah, look at, they're even selling batteries on the side.
Yeah.
You know, normally with Harbor Freight, you can only buy the battery. You know, it just comes
No,
with
you-
the stupid
You
battery.
know, you've always been able to buy the battery.
For real?
Yeah.
Look at that. They got the bandsaw.
$20.
That's just the blade. Alright, so we just got done at Harbor Freight, and they have one of the easiest return policies. I see people bitch because the returns, they don't take certain things back. You have to make sure it's a lifetime warranty tool. Otherwise, they're not going to take it back. Had a huge tool haul today. Spent about $1,000. We got these. These were $688. And then there was a lifetime warranty on this. And that was, I still got charged an extra like $200 or $300. So, I'd say it's a win-win. So, guys, don't bitch about Harbor Freight. If if you don't like Harbor Freight, don't shop there. Simple as that. No, I'm not referring to you, junkie. I'm just saying in general to anybody. Harbor Freight's not that bad of a store. If you need something quick in a bind like that Ratchet, the only thing that broke on this Ratchet knife, 2 of them or 3 of them, it's always happened right there. If they made the bar or the handle go all the way down past here, this would never break. And I'd still be on my first one. I love this fucking Ratchet. I love it. So, that's all I got. And we're going to get a couple of these hookers. And that's it. I'll see you guys later.
Clock keeps ticking like a metronome, and my thoughts keep telling me to get me home, but my balls keep telling me to let me